Hello everyone, can you hear me? Okay, if you can hear my voice, please type 1 in the comment room. Hello every friends, can you hear me? If you can hear my voice, please type 1 in the comment room. Okay, hello. Okay, can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment room. Okay, hello. Okay, thank you. Hello. Okay, so let's me start. Hello, buddies. Thank you for coming to my live room. Christmas sale is near. So what's your plan for the long vacation? You can leave your idea in the comment room. Okay, hello. Okay, I think some friends may go on a trip, and some friends may have a party with friends. Some of you may be studying CCIE at home. Great, so hope you have a nice holiday at that time. Now let's watch a stream and let me tell you more about it. So I'm SPOTO CCIE Tutor, and welcome to join me today. Everyone is welcome to enter our live broadcast room, so don't forget to like and follow our social media like Facebook and YouTube for more updates. Okay, so welcome every friends. If you are the first time to come to my live stream, hope you can enjoy the time. Okay, so thanks for your join. So do you know CCIE certification? Anybody knows can also comment below. Oh, okay, welcome friends. Hello. Welcome. If you are the first time to enjoy my live stream, hope you can enjoy it. Hello. Okay, so do you know CCIE certification? Anybody knows can also comment below. I think some friends. Hello, welcome. Welcome, Erin. Hello, everyone. Yeah. Welcome to my live stream. If you are the first time, hope you can enjoy the time. Okay, so I think many friends must know the CCIE certification, which is the expert level of Cisco system. Okay, so today we will introduce EI Lab in detail. Now it is already mid of December. Okay, so only 10 days left for 2022. If you want to give your IT career a lift in 2022, you should get CCIE certified in first try. So today we will talk about the CCIE overview, detail the CCIE exam process and the solution. Also, I will introduce CCIE package as well as my tips to help you pass CCIE exam. Most importantly, we have huge Christmas deals for you. So, who wants to do CCIE recently? Today's webinar is worth $199, and now you can learn it free. Yes, it's free, but exclusive for SPOTO learners. So share to your friends for more information. Okay, welcome friends. Hello. Okay, so let's start. This is my ID number. I belong to SPOTO Gold Instructor. I'm proficient in Cisco and Huawei datacom technology, 5 years of experience in after-sale technical support for manufacturer, and 2 years of project management experience. In my CCIE journey, I passed the CCIE EI Lab exam in just 2 months. So if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you can follow me. Okay. So hello, welcome every friends. Okay. So hope you enjoy the time. Okay. Hello. Okay. So let's me continue. Okay, let's move to the CCIE overview. Before the introduction, I would like let you see our CCIE holders' latest past report. Okay, so this about SPOTO students passed the CCIE report. Okay, so yesterday SPOTO had 5 students. Yesterday, SPOTO had 5 students pass the CCIE achieve CCIE certification. So 2,300 plus IE from SPOTO. The success story you can repeat. Okay. You want to achieve CCNP security professional. Okay. So if you want to achieve CCNP certification about security, you can contact admin to get more information. Okay, to get more study material. So, okay, so do you want to be CCIE expert like them? Yes, let's get CCIE certified with SPOTO before 2023. Okay, now let's unlock the passing secret one by one. So I want to tell the friend, if you have the energy, I hope you can achieve CCIE security. Okay, I think it's more helpful to you. So let me unlock the passing secret one by one. I will make brief introduction of CCIE first. CCIE is one of the most prestigious networking certification in the world issued by Cisco, and it is meant to identify top network engineering experts. With CCIE, you can take your place as a technical leader. Technology areas include enterprise infrastructure, data center, service provider, enterprise wireless, security, and collaboration. So, which CCIE track do you pursue? You can leave your comment below. Okay, so which CCIE track do you interested in? You can leave your comment below. Study material. Okay, so if you want to have more information, study material, you can contact admin. If you can contact admin for get more information. Okay, so which CCIE track do you interested in? You can leave your comment below. Enterprise, infrastructure, data center, or service provider, or security, or collaboration. So what's your choice? You can leave your comment below. Hello, Barry. Hello. Okay. So welcome, every friends. Hope today's webinar will help you. Okay. So what's your choice about CCIE direction? You can leave your comment below. I think many friends may be interested in different directions. As we all know, as long as you are engaged in networking. Okay, I see the Barry wants to take a CCIE exam. Yeah, so I want to ask you, which CCIE track do you interested in? Which CCIE track do you interested in? You can tell me. Okay, so hello. Super Canal. Okay. It's valuable for. Okay. So if you want to know more, you can okay, CCIE. Okay. If you want to ask the webinar, today's webinar is worth 199. Okay, but it is free for SPOTO learners. Okay. So CCIE, yeah. If you want to get CCIE, I will introduce this for detail because EI Lab is very popular in current market. So I will explain it in detail. Okay, security. Oh yeah, but I see if you want to get the security CCIE, I want to ask you, do you have foundation? Do you have foundation about routing and switching? Do you have foundation about routing and switching? Because as we all know, as long as you are engaged in networking, enterprise routing and switching part is the foundation of all networks. Yeah, okay. Have any CCIE lab? Of course, we must have CCIE lab. we must help you pass the CCIE exam. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to get more CCIE information, you can contact admin to get more study material. Okay. So let me continue. If you have any problem, you can leave your comment below. Okay. So I think many friends maybe are interested in different directions, but enterprise infrastructure is the foundation of all networks. So don't hesitate to give our webinar a thumbs up, join the study group, and stay tuned to get huge gift, free EI Lab demo during the live webinar. CCIE is widely considered the industry's highest level IT certification program. So, however, do you know the CCIE Salary? Let's see the CCIE average salary in USA 2022. For an example, the average CCIE salary in the USA is $115,250 per year. And you can see from the right chart there are huge gaps between the certified and non-certified. People with CCIE certificates earn almost 20% than the non-certified. So you can get the idea of why CCIE is so popular. But the problem is how to get it right. It is a difficult exam by yourself, so don't worry, I will help you prepare for lab exam well. Okay, so the entry-level job title. The entry-level job title in the industry for Cisco certified include network engineer, network architect, and so on. The mid and senior level designation for CCIE certified professionals include Cisco consultant, senior security engineer, and CCIE system engineer, and so on. So, according to pay scale, the salary for different job titles based on years of experience, countries maybe, but it can be ensured that there are huge potential for CCIE certification holders and great salary enhancement for CCIE networking professionals. CCIE has provided us with many opportunities for employment and job hopping to earn high salary. So if you have the energy, I highly encourage you to hurry up and learn CCIE. So now let's go to the next part. How to obtain the CCIE certificate. You need to pass one core exam and one practical lab exam. So let's move to CCIE EI exam overview first. To get CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure Certified, you have to pass two exams. One is the CCIE EI written exam. Written exam. So this exam tests a candidate knowledge of implementing core enterprise network technology, including virtualization, infrastructure, network assurance, security, and automation. After passing the written test, you can take the second module test. And the second is the CCIE EI hands-on lab exam, covering enterprise network through the entire network life cycle, from designing and deploying to operating and optimizing. Okay, so let's move the lab part. As you know that the routing and switching has changed to CCIE EI Lab. From this change, it can be seen that the current IT industry requirements for network engineer are no longer just routing and switching, but also add SDN and programming module. And the positioning requirements for network engineers have become higher. So instead of having three modules, 3 module as the old root and switch did. The new exam has 2 modules, mainly divided into design and DOO. Design and DOO. DOO includes deployment, operation, and optimization. So this exam is 8 hours. 8 hours total, with the first module being 3 hours and the second module DOO being 5 hours. Candidates will be tested on varying technologies and solutions listed in the exam topics throughout both modules, while both modules independent from each other. There is a progressive storyline that will be built upon throughout the entire 8 hours practical lab exam. Candidates will not be able to navigate back and forward between modules. So, the first module is a design module. It is very similar to our written test, with a total of 39 questions, including a welcome question and an ending question. But in total, you need to answer 37 questions. You won't be doing any configuration in this module. This is going to be things like drag and drop, multiple choice, single choice, drop down selection. So you have 3 hours. 3 hours for the design module, and you can finish our design module in advance. But the remaining time will not accumulate to the next module. But if you exceed 3 hours, you can use DOO time. But your DOO practice time will be less, so you need to control the time. After completing the design module, you will move on to the second module, DOO. First, you will get a lab topology framework and the requirement in advance, and then it is up to you construct how this network is built and optimized. This exam is only 5 hours, which is also the reason why many students failed. So candidates will have full visibility on all questions. Within this module, point value associated to each item are displayed within this module. So to pass the exam, candidates need to score higher than aggregated pass score of both modules. There cannot be a situation where a module score is too low because Cisco needs comprehensive talents. Okay, so alright, we have talked lots about CCIE Lab Exam Overview. So today we mainly show the current status of EI Lab and whether candidate can take the EI Lab exam. So let's look at the current EI Lab exam topology. This is the complete EI Lab topology diagram, which is mainly examines the candidate deploy, operate, and optimize, referred to as DOO, which is mainly configured from routing and switching, SDA, SD1, and programming. This part belongs to the HQ category, and this module belongs to the DC category, and the module on the right belongs to the IaaS, and the SP1, SP2 are connected, and the corresponding 4 branches, branch 1, branch 2, and branch 3 and branch 4 are below the SP. So among them, this module is mainly the routing and the switching part, which first realizes the whole network communication. And this module belongs to the SDA and SD1 mainly manages and configure the equipment of the local area network and the wide area network in a unified manner, and the right part belongs to the programming. So today we will explain to you the relevant SDN technology point of EI Lab. This topology falls under the category of SDA and SD1 if the routing and switching can be successfully completed. Then the SDN technology is not difficult, but it may be difficult for candidates without SDA and SD1 foundation. Now let's take a brief look at the technical points used in the SDA and SD1. For example, SDA, I listed several knowledge points. It's included Lisp, segmentation, fusion, and underlay, fabric, VM, and SGT, and so on. And SD1, it includes, you should know the role of vBond, vEdge, vSmart, vManager, and OMP, centralized control policy, localized control policy, and root leak, and so on. So in the SDN module, the first one, candidates should understand the role of each controller. You should understand the role of each controller, such as how to pass this control, vSmart, vBond, and the vManager, and this vEdge. Okay, so first one, you should understand the role of each controller, such as how to pass route between controller. The second, how switch 400 and 501, 502, and 510 can online at DNAC. Okay, DN Center. So I will share with you an analysis of the process of switch going online at DNAC. First, there is a VPN 999 on VH21 and VH21 will and switch 201 and 202 establish OSPF neighbors. After learning the route, VH pass the route to vSmart. VH learn the route and it will pass the route to the vSmart. vSmart. Okay, wait a moment. Let's continue. So, let's explain it to you. So first, there is a VPN on VPN 999 on VH21. VH21 will establish with switch 201 and 202. Then the VH then the route and it's passed to the vSmart. Then the vSmart reflection through the OMP protocol. OMP is similar router reflector, BGP router reflector, and it's passed to other VH device similar to BGP reflector, and the other device also learn the route of the DC through the VPN 999. The sub-interface and the VH will create the sub-interface under the VH, establish an OSPF neighbors relationship with switch 400 and 501, 502, and redistribute OMP into OSPF. It will redistribute OMP into OSPF. Okay, so the reverse the same process. The VH establish OSPF. It will establish OSPF with switch 400 and 501 and 502, and it will redistribute OSPF into OMP. Okay, the VH pass it to vSmart into through VPN 999 and then reflect to other VHs. The OMP route learned by VH 21 and 22 from VPN 999 are redistributed to OSPF and can be learned by device into the DNAC. Into the DC. So the DNAC center can manage the switches. Okay, so SDA and SD1 are mainly deployed through the web interface. So everyone should practice diligently during the exam preparation and be familiar with which web interface and where each function point is located. So in SDN, the most important thing is that the four hosts of the branch 1, branch 2 can obtain the IP address. These four hosts can obtain the IP address, but candidates often find the PC cannot get the IP address during the practice. So I have summarized several steps to help you troubleshoot. First one, you should check whether BGP neighbors between the VH and the switch is normal. Second, check the parameters configuration of vSmart. Thirdly, test whether the connectivity to DHCP server is normal on the gateway. Then you should check whether the DHCP server is configured correctly. Last, whether the switch interface is assigned to corresponding VM. Okay, so the above are the faults I have summarized for you. I hope it will be helpful to you. Of course, there will be other problems in the process of preparing for SDN, so welcome to communicate with us. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can leave your comment. So let me introduce the difference between the old and the new EI Lab versions. First, both versions have the same topology, but requirements are different. Second, routing and switching changes 40%, SDN changes 15%, programming changes 10%. But since Cisco changed your question, candidates have encountered new versions. So, can the solution of SPOTO pass the exam? Okay. So, is this your problem? Do you want to know whether the current SPOTO solution can pass the CCIE exam? Okay. If you want to know, you can type yes in the comment room. So, do you want to know whether the current SPOTO solution can pass the CCIE exam? Okay. Do you want to know? If you want to know, you can type yes in the comment room. Okay. Let me reveal the answer for you. Is the CCIE EI Lab detail is stable? Okay, yeah, thank you. So let me introduce it in detail. Yeah, okay. So let me introduce in detail. So the answer is, of course, yes. First, two lab version correspond to the same topology. Since Cisco EI Lab changed question, candidates have encountered new versions. But SPOTO recommended that candidates practice both the old and new versions at the same time. Second, EI Lab is stable. Cisco will not change EI Lab anymore in the short term, but following past trends, if Cisco changes a question next time, the entire lab topology will change. Different versions will be randomly selected for exams, and the difficulty of candidate will increase. Okay, difficulty of candidate will increase. So currently there is only one topology. Thirdly, the solution is correct. SPOTO has very accurate solution that can help candidates pass the exam at one time within 3 months. Also, we have high pass rate. SPOTO candidates keep passing the exam. So yesterday SPOTO just passed the 5 students. If you want to know more report, you can contact admin and join the group. So now is the best time. Now is the best time to take the CCIE exam, take action. So this part is very important. So friends, do you have any question? If you have any question, you can leave the comment and I will answer it for you. Also, Cisco has released a certification roadmaps, including that the CCIE framework will be adjusted next year, 2023, and EI Lab. You can see the EI Lab. EI Lab may be adjusted from February to June. So, however, Cisco said that changes to expert level certification might not occur annually due to their complexity and longer time period requirement. So we estimate that the time to change a question may be the second half of next year. So if you want to take the CCIE certification, now is the best time. Okay. So dear friend, if you want to take the CCIE exam, you mustn't miss the chance. Okay, it is the best time. Otherwise, the Cisco may be changing the question. So, but there are always individuals, students who fail the exam. Why? So next, we will focus on the analysis of such students' questions. The common reason for students to fail are, first, not practicing according to the plan. The tutor will arrange the study plan for the candidate, but the candidate didn't invest time in study according to the plan made by the instructor, which will affect the quality of each stage of EI lab. Second, unsynchronized exam time. Candidates synchronize the tutor's lab exam arrangement near the exam time, resulting in tight exam preparation time. Thirdly, modify the configuration themselves. Candidates do not follow the SPOTO solution 100%, resulting in low test scores. Last, the examiner added the wrong point. the examiner destroy the configuration of the students, and the student fail to find the problem due to weak ability of the student to troubleshoot. So, dear friend, do you have this situation? Do you have this situation? Okay, if you have this situation, you can type 1 in the comment below. Okay, so do you have this situation? Because SPOTO students, because a few students of SPOTO will have this situation. So, but it doesn't matter. I think the above reason may be that some friends are more self-learning and less communication with their tutors. So we must communicate more with our tutors and follow our advice, because we will help you. We will provide you with a lot of support. For example, we will add mistakes for candidates and improve your troubleshooting abilities. Second, we will sort out the examiner error point to provide students with learning study material. Thirdly, we will regularly follow up candidate practice, check rack configuration, and practice screen. But the tutor support for you is not only this. If you want to know more, you can leave a message to us. So, trust SPOTO, trust me. We will help you become CCIE expert. Okay, yeah. So if you want to get CCIE certification, you can believe SPOTO. You can believe me. We will help you to become CCIE expert. Okay, so we have talked lots about CCIE Lab exam overview and the process. I think you must wonder how to pass the CCIE exam in less time. Okay, if you want to boost salary, it is the best time to choose SPOTO. To choose SPOTO Lab Service package, which can help you pass in 3 months. Now let me tell you the passing secret with SPOTO step by step and our EI Lab Service package. First, EI Lab has 2 modules, including Design and DOO. Design is very simple for SPOTO students because we have complete information to provide students. This part will not focus on the introduction. We mainly look at the DOO module. SPOTO has clear practice standards for students. For example, it is recommended to complete DOO within 1.5 hours before recommending students to take the exam. For example, routing and switching SDN each need to be complete within 1.5 hours. Many students find it strange that DOO has 5 hours. Why are the requirements so high? Because candidates may experience various failures in DOO due to nervousness, unfamiliar test environment, and so on, which may lead to various failures in DOO. And students need to spend a lot of time to troubleshoot failures. So you should follow my standards strictly, and I will give you an effective test preparation experience. Secondly, the RAC practice environment we provide for everyone is very sufficient. You can flexibly arrange your spare time to practice through the cloud. The most important thing is that our practice environment is basically the same as the examination room. Okay, so you don't worry about your practical difficulties. We have already made study arrangement for you. Okay, thank you. So our practice environment will separate routing and switching, SDN programming, and finally we'll have a fusion experiment. So what you see is our routing and switching practice environment. Everyone will get a routing and switching rack practice permission, and when you complete a routing switching practice, we will help you verify your overall practice quality, and I will tell you where there are deficiencies to improve. And this is our SDN rack practice interface. This is the complete practice environment, including routing and switching, SDN, which is 99% identical to the test exam. So you complete your own practice time and adapt to the test room environment for practice in advance. And when you meet the exam standards, we will help review your practice process to ensure the quality of your practice. Okay, so the overall rack practice environment is very convenient, and the main environment is almost the same as the test room. So here I would like to briefly introduce our service process and what you can get if you assign our CCIE Lab training course. First of all, we will provide one-to-one service at the VIP level. Second, we will distribute lab material or study material that are the same as the exam content. Thirdly, we provide rack access. The rack include iOS, initial configuration, and so on. Also, if you encounter any problem or difficulties during the practice, we will help you solve problem through the remote software. Also, we will provide tutorial videos explaining the workbooks and the solutions, and it is also shows you how to configure it section by section. We will arrange for you to test the quality of practice at each stage to confirm that you meet test standards. Also, we will arrange the sprint plan for you, matters needing attention in the exam. So we will make sure you pass the CCIE in one pass in the exam. Okay, so here is the CCIE Lab Service package. You can take a look at. We provide 3 months service time. Then you will have enough time to practice. You can see it's include material, rack practice, okay, and our service for you. So you will have enough time to learning CCIE. Also, you can follow your own timetable. It is very flexible. Okay, so this is our study plan for everyone to pass the EI Lab exam. Okay. Of what do you mean one by one service? Okay, so if you choose SPOTO, we will the tutor will support you one by one. Okay, can you understand? We will support you one by one. If you assign CCIE, and I will support you. Okay, so we will help you. Okay, we will help you one by one. Okay, so also we will have study group for you. If you want to join the study group, we will invite you to the group. Invite you to study group. Okay. So let me continue. This is our study plan for everyone to pass the EI Lab exam at one time. You can see, as the CCIE Lab has 2 modules, we we deliver lab service and the learning material in stage. The first stage, we will send the routing and switching solution and the rack. The learning cycle is 3 to 4 weeks. Through routing and switching rack practice, no need to consume local computer. No need to consume your local computer. And through routing and switching rack practice, okay, practice anytime, anywhere. If you have complete the first stage, we will verify the quality of your practice for you. And after confirming that you meet the test standards, you will enter the SDN stage. And the second stage, we will send the SDN solution, include SDA and SD1, and the rack practice environment. Learn, we will check each candidate practice process. Programming is the same, so the practice environment is perfect for everyone to learn. And the third stage, we will send Lab 1 Plus new solution. This module is not difficult, basically as long as you are proficient in the old version of DOO. Lab 1 Plus exam preparation is very fast, and the design material will be sent out 1 week before the exam because this part is very simple. Okay, so you don't worry about this. So of course, we will flexibly adjust the study plan according to characteristic of each student. Some students have strong learning ability and can also take the exam in 1.5 months and pass the exam at one time. Yeah, So if you want to take the exam, maybe you can achieve this success story. Okay, if you want to join the study group, you can contact admin. So let me share some preparation tips for CCIE. First, you should familiarize yourself with and understand the lab topology and the requirement and understand the provisioning environment for each device. Second, practice the lab content in modules and analyze the routing data clearly. Summary and communication. Identify weak points through module exercise. Summarize the fault and the problems you encounter, and share your troubleshooting ideas with your tutors. You should completely practice the lab version without referring to a solution to improve proficiency and accuracy. Last, contact tutors for periodic quality inspection to verify your own shortcomings and consolidate them. Communicate with the tutor more and be able to follow the tutor's test preparation suggestion. So these are my exchange experience with CCIE students. I hope it will help you to pass the CCIE lab exam. Okay, so also only 11 days left for 2022. So yes, if you want to enhance your career in IT before 2023, you should go ahead and improve yourself. Many lab center reopen now in Tokyo, Brussels, and USA. Book and Singapore. So book your slots now and get CCIE in 2023. And most of you may think it's very difficult to pass the CCIE lab exam. It may take 3 or 5 years. 3 or 5 years to get CCIE certified. But here I'm going to tell you, yes, indeed, it is difficult. But 3 or 5 years? No. If you choose SPOTO, choose me, we will help you pass CCIE exam within 3 months. Okay, so we not only have high pass rate, also we will offer remote reg access and CCIE instructor technical support, which can help you fasten your CCIE journey well. Also, these are feedback from other candidates. Our solution is very stable. We use professionalism and service to win the trust of our customers. So if you want to boost salary and build a brand new career, it is the best time to choose SPOTO CCIE Lab Service package, which can help you pass in 3 months. So in today's live sale, you can enjoy a lower price than usual. The original price is $2,000. And now the CCIE Lab Service only need $1,400. You can save $600. So please check a link on the comment room in the live chat section to enjoy my exclusive offer for you. So order now. It is really the lowest price for you. So friends who like learn should hurry up, because this price won't be offered after 24 hours. Okay, it will return to $2,000. Also, if you want other CCIE track, you can also buy at a reasonable price. Okay, security DC service provider or wireless, it's only need $1,500. You can save $500. So this is the best price for 2022. Last chance to get IT exam dams at lowest price. So if you want to get other dams, you can join the group and ask admin for more. Okay. Also, the most important is that if you order today in the live sale, you can get the CCIE Lab exam guide on how to tackle CCIE exam step by step, which are collected by CCIE expert based on candidate exam feedback, as well as useful tips for exam passing. So everyone should read it before taking the lab exam. Now it is free for anyone who make the order today. So it is free for anyone who make the order today. So you should hurry up to book now. Okay, yeah. So if you want to get a CCIE certification, you mustn't miss the chance. Okay, so I know you are almost certain that you can trust me. If you have any other questions, welcome to communicate with me. Okay, so this is the last chance for 2022 to get IT exam dams at lowest price. I hope you don't miss it. Because you can see that maybe Cisco will change your question next year. So I hope you can grab the chance. The sooner you pass the IE, the better for you. Otherwise, you maybe have to wait until 2023. Okay, so I hope you mustn't miss today's chance. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can leave your comment below and I will answer it for you. Okay, so in my opinion, I think Cisco maybe change your question in the second half of next year. But you can see this. So it is the best time to take the CCIE because it is stable now and solution is very correct. Okay, yeah. So if you want to have CCIE certification, you must take the exam. You must take exam now. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can leave your comment and I will answer it for you. Okay, so if you have no further questions, today's webinar is coming to an end. I hope my explanation of CCIE Lab exam process, solutions, as well as the SPOTO CCIE service package can help you to know why to choose SPOTO, why to choose me, and why we can help you pass CCIE Lab fast. Now CCIE is very stable to pass. Take action to book lab slots and let's get CCIE certified before 2023 with SPOTO. So, best life sale offer. Okay, so now take action to book lab slots. And let's get CCIE certified before 2023 with SPOTO best life sale offer. So you mustn't miss today's chance. Okay, if you miss this chance, you need to wait until 2023. So don't forget to follow. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, so today's webinar is come to an end. So don't forget to follow me and see you next time. So bye bye everyone. Okay. Hope today's webinar will help you. Okay. Hope you can enjoy it. So see you next time. Bye bye.